Good morning and welcome to Black Stag Styling. In with us today we have a brand new VW Amarok 2024 plate and we are going to be fitting the ARB base rack and tent to it. We've also got the side awning which is going to be going on there as well. So yeah, should be pretty cool. We'll do a little video throughout so you can see the whole process of popping it on the roof there.
Yeah, nice to have a 2024 new Amarok in, isn't it?
Brand new vehicle, yeah. Lovely thing, yeah.
Looking rather smart, this, rather nice.
Very similar, well, it is the same body, in fact, to the new shape Ranger as well, so.
It is, mate. It is exactly the same, you are correct.
Yeah.
You say we've got the awning as well, haven't we? Is that right?
We've got a pull-out awning which clamps onto the side of the base rack itself and then pulls out, but we'll hopefully do a full display of the tent all set up at the end. We'll see how we get on. That sounds the evening, but
well, that sounds good.
We'll crack on. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and roll on the intros.
Yeah, boy.
Hello mate.
Hello pal.
We're now putting some holes in, pal. Now drilling the holes out for the rack base footprint, apparently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Couple of holes drilled. You've already got one sort of drilled hole, which you use as your marker to gauge where your other two are going.
Superb, mate. Superb. Looks like cracking on nicely with this.
We're getting there, aren't we?
Right, here we go. Guys are now going to get the base rack onto the vehicle. Ad and Steve have done all the irrelevant drilling and putting the threaded rivets onto the vehicle, so we're all good to get the roof rack or base rack on. As you can see, it takes a few people just to make sure everything's lined up.
Right. How's everybody's holes there? You had over the front hole, yeah?
Right, now time to get it all bolted on.
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Roof tent is now all on. Ad is just doing the final bolts up. We'll just pan round. Everything's all on and lined up. So that's Ad's just getting them last bolts all tightened up. And then we'll do a little demo of the roof tent. Looking smart, this. It's all lined up nicely. All bolted in place. There we go. Fits nicely onto the roof, as you can see. There we go. Nice couple of little bolts, and we're all good for our little demo.
Okay. Right, let's go camping, pal.
Yeah, baby.
Morning campers. Hey?
Let's do it.
I don't know if the audience is as excited as me, but I'm pretty excited.
Oh, I'm excited as well,
I'm
mate.
pretty excited.
I've never shared a tent with a real man before.
Yeah, it'd be nice if we were actually, away on holiday.
That is true.
But it's nearly the weekend.
That is true. There you go. Let's just release the straps. Look at that. Tent goes up.
Oh, look at that, hey?
Easy as that is. There we go. Let's just release the elastic strap bits off the sides. Hey! That'll be time to get the old ladder down. There we go, it's got the old ladder extended look. Cool. So you've got to get your angle of the dangle right as well. Right, here we have her. The tent is all up, the roof tent is all up. Just put all the relevant bars and bits and pieces in to support the canopy sections for the exterior windows in the front. We've got some lighting that runs underneath as well, and you just about to see this runs underneath there, which is rather smart. We've got another window section on the other side. All of these have got your mesh in to stop all the bugs and bits and pieces getting in as well. And then we come around to the front.
Hello, mate. Hello, mate. I'm having a lovely time up here.
Hello, pal.
It's absolutely lovely.
Looking rather nice.
Yeah, complete floor is just done in this lovely memory foam mattress, and I'll tell you, it's comfy. It's lovely.
That's nice.
Yeah, as you say, got plenty of windows and openings. It's quite a nice height to sit, a little view. I'd imagine being on a campsite, looking over the other campers, It's got the LED strip across here, the old lighting, and your plug socket here.
Nice.
But yeah, lovely. Even a little ventilation bit up there as well.
Superb.
I mean the space as well. I'm 6.5 foot, and I can like quite a lot of space. No, honestly, yeah. If you were 6.5 foot, you'd still have space.
Nice.
But yeah, got the old gas struts here to help put it up. So when you unfold it, it just takes itself.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Nice bit of kit, this, isn't it?
Yeah, and literally to put it down, all you've got to do is remove these 6 little rods that hold your canopies out, and then just boom, and it's gone.
Superb.
It's just gone.
Just gone?
Just in a box on the roof.
There we go. We'll pan back out so you can see all of that. Lovely. Does look smart. Does look smart.
Yeah. All these fly bits are nice as well. So you can zip yourself in, keep the flies out. or keep me in, whichever way you prefer.
May well be keep you in. Superb. Nice, mate, nice.
It's good, lovely material.
Yeah. Smart bit of kit that, and like this ad says, folds away all nicely at the end. At the back here, we have the canopy section as well, the annex. We haven't got all that out because the customer needs to get going in a moment. So that's all packed away. Comes in all the carry bags as well. Lots of accessories can be added. Hello again, pal.
Hello, mate.
We'll get it all packed away in a moment. Right guys, that brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. Thank you for checking it out. As you'll know, we've been supplying and fitting the base rack and the roof tent to the new shape VW Amarok. So that's a 2023 Amarok, like I say, the new shape, very similar to the Ranger. And we have fitted the Esperance ARB roof tent along with the base rack system, as you've seen in the video. So do give us a shout here if we can help with anything like this. There's quite a few different bits and pieces in the range that all go with the base rack. We've got our video for our truck as well, so you can obviously check that all out as well. But on ours we've fitted the jerry can holder and we've got the tread plates as well on our one. That'll be on another video as well. But yeah, for this one it's been the Esperance roof tent, base rack system, all installed on the VW Amarok. Give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling for more info. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Check out the website, all of them bits and pieces. We'll give you a last look round the roof tent to finish, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Oh, lovely times.